Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Esberg, to our home for the next 2 weeks. And we are now in the Uhu Höhle Cave. So today we didn't eat anything. We have the gazpacho at lunch, and we had cucumber. That's all. That means between yesterday, the dinner, and now, it's almost 24 hours fasting. So we were not hungry. We enjoyed our work. I worked today 9 hours, Michael also. And then we went outside. We ate some strawberry at afternoon, but only 5-6 pieces. Now we are happy. Our blood sugar is stable, and we are happy. And we will eat low carb, and we will enjoy a several course dinner. So then in the supermarket for food tax, we decided today to eat pork. In Germany, we didn't eat pork. This is in Denmark, completely organic. We read in the description that the pig was grown naturally without any human fodder. The pig was grown outside. Then we decide 2 kinds of different meat. This is the belly, with the belly, and it's very umami. And this belly is more expensive than these. So the Chinese only love these. So then I will make 2 different dishes with 2 different kinds of pork. Each 300 grams is 600 grams for both of us for the dinner. So I want to show you the complete the piece, and for cooking, I want to have it set in that piece to prepare, right? So then to marinate, and this is also for another dish for frying, and also I have to marinate that. Normally, if I'm at home, I have a very big Chinese knife. I would do it like, oh, this works. You have to break the fiber of the pork to then it can soak the sauce, the marinade and the marinade of the whole stuff. So I do like this. If the knife is bigger, you can just imagine that it would much better. This make I break the fiber of the pork, then it will be very soft. I don't need any other thing. This is the only method. You only need this one method. If you are a German, then you have the one hammer. It's a special tool because the German are always inventing a lot of kitchen tools. But the Chinese one, we only need one very big and very heavy knife to do the job. So, and for easy working, I would have this in 3 pieces. Then I can fry it later better. So this is for this, and I chop it again. While I'm chopping, I can explain now what I'm going to do. This has to be stay in the marinade for, I guess, half an hour or 1 hour, I don't know. And first, and to let the marinade soak, so the meat soak in the soya sauce and the alcohol and stuff. And in between, maybe I have to just mix this meat. When we want to first eat, just imagine we were in a very good restaurant, so it's one course after the other. So this is then if the protein comes, it's with in my kitchen it's after half. So because first we enjoy the flavor, fragrance, texture of the vegetables. So it means if I do this procedure, this marinade pork procedure as step 1, then it has enough time during we eat, we cook. So this is the first step, okay? Now I prepared the meat and I have the ginger sauce. Why ginger? Because it is like a rule. Ludwig Wittgenstein said for the language is a rule. If everybody use it, it's like you cannot say why I call this cupboard. It's only usage. It's only habit. So the habit is, then you have to remember the habit is 姜汁. The Chinese has the cong, the scallion, the ginger, and the garlic. The Italian always use everywhere garlic. With the pork, the Chinese people only use ginger. We never use garlic with this. Why? Because the garlic, it's too strong. It destroys the wonderful good taste of the meat. The ginger is to support, okay? So only ginger. So here, Michael, I cannot use that. We bought it, but it's from home or what? I cannot use this. I have to use the yellow one.
This is not from Denmark. This is bought.
Oh, sorry. We bought from Germany. Be careful if you have. This is German quality. Because it's imported maybe from China and.
Maybe it's stocked for too long time.
Can be also, and just cut it to have the yellow ones. If you see the dark ones, don't use it, please. Yeah, this is now almost okay. Yeah, it's a pity, but you cannot use this dark spaces. Yeah, it's almost okay. Then. Normally, we use it in these slices, and as we both want to eat ginger because this is warming, this is anti-inflammation. For us, it's medicine. Then, if you want to eat it, just cut it very small. Let them go together with the meat. Okay, so like doing this. I will put it in this way, yeah? Now, starting marinade. I bought, at home I have the sake from Japan, but as we love Portugal, I already worked with this pot, but in Portugal I used the red pork together with meat and with lamb. And today the pork, we choose this in the store in Denmark. They don't have Danish wine. I don't want to have that very sour. So the pork has a little bit more alcohol. And the white one is reduced. It is in the behind, and that's why I don't use the red pork, which is mainly pot wine. little bit more. And then I use soy sauce for the taste. Not too much. It's okay. And then I want to have some salt. Because we lost energy, I think it's maybe more than 1%, 1.5% or so. It's this. I'm not sure. Then I need sugar, and this is elderflower, and from our own garden at home. We have our own elderflower and our own apple juice. So I made this syrup to cook and also to drink. Then this is a little bit sweet. So instead of sugar, we have to have some teriyaki taste. Then, it's very nice. Then for this, I marinate it. I want to add some soy sauce, maybe. It's not too much because it's 600 grams is quite a lot of meat. Should be like this. Oh, it's good because I can smell it. If the smell is going to peak, then it's fine. So this is the right. This is the right marinade. This can stay. And now I'm finished with marinating. Later I will use it, and first we eat other stuff.